Today we are gonna show you the easiest way to make gorgeous, simple and affordable hairstyle on your baby girl yourself. You don't need to learn how to be a good braider. All you need is go to the market and buy colorful rubber bands and colorful hair bun. Get your comb, sit down and pay attention to this video. Then use your comb to partition this hair into beautiful cuts. You can also braid it or you may not. Then use your rubber band to walk through it. But before all this, please, I want you to check out the hair cream that is more suitable for your child. You must not use the ones in this video. Look, use beautiful hair cream, a suitable hair cream that will help to keep the hair soft and easy to work on. So you must not allow your baby girl's hair to get untidy before you make the hair. So you must not patronize the hairdressers. You can actually pay attention to this video and make their hair by yourself. At night when they are asleep, just call them on your lap and within few seconds you are through with this. So this video will guide you always whenever you don't know or you lack direction on how to handle your baby girl's hair. Also remember to get this hair bun and keep it handy. It will always save you. Keep your baby girl's hair neat. It gives them a beautiful, fresh and angelic look. Enjoy. We do not own the images used in this video. All the images used in this video belongs to the original owners. We are only using them for educational and inspiration purposes. Kindly like and subscribe to African A to Z Library, where we bring you advice, events, insights, and everything A to Z about Africa. Keep watching.